So in this EQ Bank tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a debit card here on EQ Bank. So once EQ Bank is opened up on the dashboard screen here, go to the top right and press on the three horizontal lines. Once you're on this page in the top left, it says introducing EQ Bank card. Go ahead and select that. It'll then bring it to this screen right here where you can actually earn 0.5% cash back on your purchases. And at the bottom, you can either keep scrolling if you want, no added FX fees and monthly fees, as well as up to 5 free ATM withdrawals in Canada. If that all seems good to you, go to the bottom and press get my card now. It'll then bring you to this screen where you have to go ahead and answer a few questions. So I will have your card ready in no time. Here's the name that will appear on your card. It's going to show your name right there. If that all looks good to you, go to the bottom and press next. It'll then show you where you can load your card from. So money from your card will come from this account. There's the account. You can also edit it if you want, but if this looks good, go to the bottom and press next. Then it's going to show you the address where it's going to ship the card to. So where should we send the card to? It's going to go ahead and show you your address. You can obviously change this. You can also add a PO box if you want, but if all looks good, once again, go to the bottom and press next. You can then review everything. So it's going to show you your name, the account that it's drawing from, as well as the delivery address. And if this all looks good to you, go to the bottom and press on yes, order my card, and then you can place the order that way for your debit card. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how to get a debit card on EQ Bank. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.